Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that all are fine and safe at home. Today, we are going to learn chapter 7, Places of Worship. There are 4 places for worshipping. Christian, Muslims, Hindus and Sikh people, they are going to different places for worshipping. There is only one God and we are calling him with different names. Okay, now come to the chapter. There are 4 children. They are from different caste and they are going to different places for worship. Okay. In this chapter, I already explained to you places of worship we have to learn. Here, there are 4 pictures of worshipping places. Mosque, Gurudwara, temple and church. You can see the image of 4 places. Mosque, where the Muslims go for prayer, and the Gurudwara for Sikh people. Temple, the Hindus people are going for prayer. And the last, church, the Christian people are going for prayer. Now comes to the lesson. Sarah prays in a church. Adil prays in a mosque. Beljit prays in a Gurudwara. Murugan prays in a temple. Already I explained to you there are 4 children. They are going to different places for worshipping God. They go to different places to pray. However, they pray to the same God. There is only one God and they are going to different places to pray. Sarah goes to church, Adil goes to mosque, Beljit goes to Gurudwara, Murugan goes to temple. Okay. Some people pray in a church. They pray to Lord Jesus Christ. Christian people are going to church and they pray to Lord Jesus Christ. And the holy book of Christian people is Bible. The Bible is their holy book. And next one is we have to learn about Muslim people. They pray in a mosque. They offer namaz 5 times in a day. Their holy book is called the Quran. Then also some people pray in a Gurudwara. They pray to their Gurus. Their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. Some people pray in a temple. That also Hindu people, they are going to temple for prayer. It has idols or different gods and goddesses.
The Bhagavad Gita is one of their holy books. There is only one God. He is called by different names. All of us are children of that one God. I told you, there is only one God and we are calling Him
by different names. That one God's children we are. We must love one another. Okay, in this chapter, the contents is that there is only one God and we are the children of that one God and we have to love one another. Okay, now there are 4 different places. Church, Christian people are
going to pray and they pray to Lord Jesus Christ. The Bible is the holy book. And the Muslim people, they are going to mosque and they offer namaz 5 times in a day. And the holy book of Muslim is called the Quran. And
Sikh people, they are going to Gurudwara. They pray to their gurus. Their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. Next, Hindu people, they are going to temple to pray. Gods and goddesses are kept in the temple. The Bhagavad Gita is one of their holy book. Okay, now this is the contents of the chapter Places of Worship. There is only one God and we call by the different names. Okay, we are the children of that one God and we have to love one another. Okay, I hope that all of you understood this lesson and learn this lesson. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you.